Hello friends, good morning. Today in our Zoho Inventory tutorials, we will learn how we can create a new product with properties like variants. So once you install Inventory app in Zoho, you can create a new item, and let's say that item is LED screen. The goods should be enabled, and over here you can select brand and manufacturer. So that's you can do. You can associate the code over here by searching the LED TV we can do here. And now when you create a new stock item, you can select it contains variants. So if you say single item, you can create just give a unit selling price. But when you select contains variant, you can select how this item should be calculated in terms of unit of measure, and then you have to select sales and purchase account, and here you can give the attribute values. So I want to say the screen size, and over here I want to say 14 inch, 17 inch, 19 inch, 21 inch, 24 inch, 32 inch. As soon as I add all the variants, now you can see a table will create immediately to define all other aspect of this particular product variants. So cost price for this I'm giving 10,000, and selling price, let's say I'm giving 15,000. Okay, first I want to make sure like HSN code should be applied to all. So if I say I want to find HSN code over here, then from EAN we can do, but right now let me just find LED screen, LED TV. I'm selecting this, copy to all. I can even copy all the cost and sales price immediately. But if I have, let's say, different cost and sales price, I can define right away here. We can also give a unique SKU code for this, or we can give kind of combination to generate auto SKU code. So if I say generate SKU code, now I can get a predefined prefix set of combination which allow me to give like item name plus first three digit of that in uppercase, and then a separator, and then screen size, then first three digit of that with uppercase. So like this it will create an item code for us. If I say screen size with any custom text, it will create like this. So I can also give like custom text first, and then I can give the screen size. I can also give one character, then it will show like this, so it will auto fetch. So whatever we give, it will allow me to set SKU unique ID like this in bulk. And then let's define our pricing, cost price, and then sales price over here. Now if I press this button, it will copy from the first field. Okay, so let me just modify it. There is no other logic, it's very simple logic we have to give. And then once we are done with that, we can give the inventory account where we can see it is all, inventory asset, and then inventory valuation method I want to do by, FIFO only for this item. And then I save it, then all SKUs will be created immediately based on this variant properties we have set. If I want to add any new variant, I can go here, and create a new variant under LED screen. If I want to edit anything, I can go here, and then if I want to add more options, I can go and add new inventory from here only by adding variant. So I can define, like, I want to introduce 40-inch variant for the same LG. Okay, so this will become my, LED screen only, and then select size. So this particular attribute is already available over here. Okay, so if I want to make changes to any of this particular LED screen, okay, I can go here. Then in options, we don't have any choice to add any new options. Once it is set, means this is done. We cannot add any particular new variant over here. So that's how once you add, it will be applicable to one variant only. Now let's add another type of product. So if I am adding a new product like t-shirts, where I don't want to give brand or anything, no HSN code, and I want to configure variant, and it will measure in pieces only, and then attribute is like, size is small, medium, large, XL, double XL, and then I want to give color also, red, yellow, black, white, green. As soon as I am done, now you can see all unique variants will be created. So it multiplies simply 5 into 5. So 25 product variants will be created immediately. And then if I want to generate SKU with my predefined, thing, then this is how we can define. Then t-shirt, then size, then, color, like color, I would like to use all 6 characters. So item name, that is t-shirt, to add all. Then in size, definitely 1 character is there, and then I generate SKU. Now let's say all this product comes in the same price, and let's say I am selling also in same price over here, and then I'm done. So I need to select my inventory account over here, and then valuation method, definitely I want to use this time weighted average. So this is how my variants are created immediately in such a combination. So you can see variants and everything is created. Now if you see my item master, we can see all items over here. In collapse view, I can see different way to visible my items. So this is the way you can create a variant type product in Zoho using Zoho Inventory application. If you have any question, do reach to us on techvaria.com or our YouTube or LinkedIn channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day.